Magandang araw mga ka-TM. 7:30 PM ngayon dito sa Southern California. Alam ko dyan sa Pilipinas, no, kapag 7:30, medyo gabi na talaga. Pero dito, mga 8 o'clock to 8:30 pa bago magtakip silim. Nakakamiss ang Pilipinas na maagang gumagabi para maagang makapagpahinga. Pero quick realization lang mga ka-TM. Kasi lahat naman tayo dumadaan sa bawat season ng buhay natin. And I believe during every season of our lives, there are countless reasons for gratitude. Isa na dito is when someone chooses to extend their hand to us, lalo na sa mga moments ng pangangailangan natin. Whether it's an offering financial support during a crisis, or an individual na nagpe-present sa atin ng opportunity that can change the course of our lives. Ah, Siguro may mga mentor din tayo, no, na alam natin, naalala natin na nag-i-invest ng time to shape and guide us toward our life's purpose and calling. Now, these are acts of kindness that can, I believe, leave indelible marks on our journey sa buhay ng bawat isa. Alam niyo po, no, tayong lahat, in many respects, products of these pivotal decisions made by others. Ang iba dito, ang hugot siguro is a sense of spiritual obedience or calling kapag ginawa mo yun to someone. Pero ito lang ang gusto kong ipunto. Have you taken the moment to reflect on the significance of their contribution to your life? Do you feel a surge of thankfulness towards them? And would you consider emulating their generosity by paying it forward? Marahil ito na yung panahon to express our appreciation. Yung a simple thank you, a heartfelt gesture to offer help in return, or a moment spent in prayer for their well-being, I believe can go a long way. And also we can say to them, let me pray for you. So remember, the ripples of gratitude and goodwill can spread far and wide as we initiate a cycle of kindness to these people. So yun lang mga ka-TM, lagi tayong maging mapagpasalamat sa buhay ng mga tao na ginamit ng Panginoon para sa atin. Hanggang sa muli, thank you.